Yes, my name is Steve. I serve with Beacon of Hope, and I was asked to share about blended chaplaincy and best practice in that. I will just run you through the slides in a few, I think less than 2 minutes, and I believe we will pick one or two things. So Beacon of Hope, we are in Ongata Rongai, but we have other offices here in Nairobi and other places. Why blended chaplaincy? Because we have a number of institutions in one. We have a hospital, we have a full-fledged hospital, level 3B. We have an outreach program, vulnerable here in Nairobi and Kiambu. Close to 57,000 children whom we are serving directly with direct services. We have a school, this is a primary school, which also has a secondary school in it. We have a technical college also, which is under TVET, a NEC center and a NITA center. So that is a blended chaplaincy. I serve there as the head of chaplaincy. And just in a snapshot who we are, that is our main office in Rongai. But under that we have a hospital, I've just mentioned, HIV and also general outpatient and also inpatient, maternity as well. That's our primary school, which is also in Ongata Rongai. We have a population currently of 400 in the primary school. Our social outreach programs, we have 11 offices here in Nairobi and Kiambu that are reaching out to a number of things. Our focus is stable, schooled, healthy, and safe. And so when we talk about school, some of the learners whom you are serving in the different schools, we are supporting them directly with other, probably school fees and all that. That is a technical school, again in Ongata Rongai, and that is a snapshot of our conference facility. And what stands out that shows that we are a Christian in our mission statement, if you Google or you go to our website, you'll find we have integrated in our mission statement that we are a Christian organization. We have a statement of faith. I believe all of us in our specific churches, we have what we call the doctrinal foundation. In us, we have a statement of faith where every staff, when they are onboarding, they have to sign the statement of faith as part of their contract. We have our tagline, our school motto. Our tagline is to God be the glory. Our school motto is empowered to excel for God's glory. Our Beacon anthem, we have actually an anthem. We have core values. Our first core values is that we are led by our faith in Jesus Christ. And then there's something called AFCA. I don't know how many of you have heard of AFCA. Africa Accreditation for Accountability and for Accountability. It's a body that accredits Christian organizations, parachurches, mission ministries that are actually Christian foundation, and they give you accreditation so that in any time where probably a donor is seeking to put in money in Africa, once you are accredited, the donor does not have to do what we call organizational capacity assessment, because they already have done that. And of course, the various partnerships that we attract. Our key focus area is spiritual growth, character formation and development. I will not go into details. Emotional, spiritual support. We have got what we call building healthy families. Thank you for talking about absent fathers. It is true that that is a challenge we are facing, and of course we are building multipliers. How do we nurture others so that they can carry out with the mission? And then spiritual growth. Some of the things that we run, daily devotions and reflections, and we have a number of materials that we use for that. I've just carried a few. Fighting, this is very good for fathers. It's called the Fight Club, dealing with the top opponents of a man. It's a very good program, and this is also for boys. This is from One Hope. How many of you have had One Hope? Yeah, One Hope has got very good materials. This is for boys only. Then there's the Lead Today, especially for those who are in high school. This is a very nice material for both students and leaders guide. They are there for free. This is my book I did some few years ago, specifically because of discipleship and devotional material. It has a volume 1 and 2. Just a few materials that we use. Bible study sessions have shown some of the materials that we use. Character formation, a number of things that we do. Adolescents, young persons program we have for both girls and boys. For boys, we call it changing boys into men. A number of programs that we run. For girls, we call it dreams. And we have close to 17,000 girls, that is aged 14 and 24, that we are reaching out both in Nairobi and Kiambu, and a number of programs that we are running. There is one book here for girls, I think I forgot it, it's called The Unstoppable, and it's very critical. The other one is guidance and counseling, community service involvement. We involve all our partners and our beneficiaries in that. Holiday sessions for learners and street talks where we talk about many issues. And then under emotional and psycho-spiritual, all those programs we are running. Then we have the building healthy families, we have marriage counseling, premarital and postmarital, positive parenting. There is a very nice book I did not carry for positive parenting called Sinovuyo. Sinovuyo is a South African name where you involve the parent and the teenager on the same platform, and then they are able to share issues, and it has a 21 weeks forum. Each forum they come and share experiences on how they are doing well on the previous sessions. And then finally, the lessons that we have learned over time is that embracing Christian values has still remained our motto. I would have explained what motto means, but we don't have time. But you can go and Google what motto stands for. And then we are responsible. And I think from the previous presenters, they have mentioned enough times that we are responsible about growth. And for that, I rest my case. Thank you very much.